In this video, we're going to save a document in Word, and it can be any Office app. It could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. We're going to save the document to a SharePoint document library. So open up Word, enter your text, click on File, and then Save As. Click on Online Locations, and then you can see your OneDrive and Sites. Now click on Sites. Now you can see the sites appear. Now select the team site that you want to use, and then the document libraries within that site are going to appear. Click on Documents, and then Save. And then if you want to open the document, you can click on File, Open Recent, and there you go. Hope you enjoy the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.